कि क्रिटिकल का मतलब क्या है. What do you understand? What we use this word very commonly. तो क्रिटिकल आपने क्या बताया? लॉन्ग लीड टाइम.
Long lead.
ओके.
So something which is going to stop something.
लॉन्ग लीड टाइम. सेकेंड,
Tough to make.
इससे कोई चीज रुक जाए तो
शॉर्टेज.
Shortage.
Should we say shortage? That is one word which is acceptable to all. और
टाइमली डिस्पैच को अफेक्ट करेगा.
ओके. डिलेइंग डिस्पैच. अब डिस्पैच में प्रोडक्शन का आइटम भी हो सकता है, पैकिंग मटेरियल भी हो सकता है. तो यू नो दीज टू आर लिंक्ड विथ प्रोडक्शन ऑल्सो और पैकिंग ऑल्सो.
Shelf life.
Shelf life, very good. Just think. See, what I am going to give you actually at the end of this discussion are 12 parameters which make a thing critical. Okay? I want you to come up with at least 6. We have already.
Maybe having no substitute or something like that.
Absolutely, absolutely. Which we call is a single source.
monopoly.
Single source or monopoly. Fantastic.
Patented.
Who said this? Great.
Patented.
Patented. Monopolistic. Excellent. This is the most area where you are most likely to hit. Yeah, come on.
Difficult to making.
Difficult to making. Difficult to making मतलब under development.
नहीं, difficult to making. Difficult to manufacturing.
आप घर की बात कर रहे हैं, घर के अंदर. Difficult to manufacture at the vendor end or at the in your plant.
Vendor end.
अच्छा, so we are, should we call it,
item components.
you know, should we say कि वो delay or delayed items?
Process critical.
Process.
Process critical
Okay,
process is
critical process.
or
Critical process
items.
item. Okay. Tell me, you are 110-year-old company. Are there still some items which are difficult to process? Okay. Anything else? You guys can think of which make the things critical.
Their availability depend on force majeure clause. Environmental dependency.
Seasonal.
Seasonal dependency.
So seasonal and shelf life, I would put it as same. You know, which will have. Now, okay. Now let us see this formula again.